जैसा कि आप सभी को पता है कि नंबर ऑफ़ कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम्स की डेट्स डिक्लेयर हो चुकी हैं और ऑल ऑफ यू वुड बी प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर these competitive exams. This is the portion about Olympic Games. All of you would be aware that 2-3 questions comes which are related to sports, and regarding the Olympic Games, summer and winter Olympic Games are important for all competitive exams. So let us discuss about this Olympic Games. Here we are going to discuss about ancient Olympic Games. The first historical mention of the Olympic Games were held in 776 BC. These were held in the kingdom of Elis. These Olympic Games were lasted for 5 days and held after every 4 years. The games came to a sudden end when the Roman Emperor Theodosius banned the competition. From 395 AD onwards, the fall of Olympias was very rapid. In that year, the first damage was caused by the invasion of Alaric barbarians and followed by attacks of Goths. In the earthquakes from 522 to 551 and the most severe in 580 totally damaged the Olympic place. So here you may see 776 BC. This was the time when first historical mention of the Olympic Games were held. And where these ancient Olympic Games were held? These were held in the kingdom of Elis. Next, these Olympic Games were lasted for 5 days. In ancient Olympic Games were lasted for 5 days and held after every 4 years. And the games came to sudden end when the Roman Emperor Theodosius banned the competitions. Next, we are going to discuss about modern Olympic Games. The revival work of games was undertaken by Baron Pierre de Coubertin. So here you see Baron Pierre de Coubertin. He is the important personality and the person who started modern Olympic Games. He was born in the family of Italian origin which had settled in France, and in 1884 delegates led by Baron Pierre de Coubertin unanimously voted to restore the Olympic Games and to create an international Olympic committee. Baron Pierre de Coubertin planned to propose Paris for the site of first modern Olympic in 1900, but the enthusiasm and zeal of delegates was so great that they insisted the first games to be held in 1896. So First modern Olympic Games were held in 1896, and Athens was the venue for the first Olympic Games in 1896. Since then, these games are held after every 4 years. Now, what about the Winter Olympic Games? Just like Summer Olympic Games, Winter Olympic Games also held after every 4 years, and games came into being in 1924 when the first Olympic Games were held in Chamonix, France. So, Winter Olympic Games were firstly held in Chamonix, France in 1924. Olympic symbols क्या है? It comprises of 5 rings or circles linked together to represent the sporting friendship of all people. The rings also symbolizes the continents. And which are continents? These are Europe, Asia, Africa, Australia and America. So these are the 5 continents. Each ring is of different color, that is blue, yellow, black, green and red. Now Olympic flag. The Olympic flag created in 1913 at the suggestion of Baron Pierre de Coubertin was solemnly inaugurated in Paris in June 1914, but it was raised over an Olympic stadium for the first time at the Antwerp Games in 1920. Now what about the Olympic flame? It was at the Amsterdam Games in 1928 that for the first time an Olympic flames was ceremonially lighted and burnt in a giant torch at the entrance of the stadium. The modern version of the flame was adopted in 1936 at the Berlin Games. And the Olympics symbolizes the continuity between the ancient and modern games. So, what is about the Olympic flame? It symbolizes the continuity between the ancient and modern games. The torch used to kindle the flame is first lit by the sun's rays at Olympia in Greece and then carried to the site of the games by relay of runners. Now, what about the Olympic motto? The Olympic motto is Citus Altius Fortius, and that is faster, higher, and stronger. Father Didon in Paris was a great promoter of sports in the French Catholic colleges and first used this motto, which was later on adopted by Brian Pierre de Coubertin for Olympic motto. Now, what about the Olympic prizes, medals, and certificates? While in ancient times, the Olympic heroes received a crown of olive branches for their exploits. Modern Olympic champions are rewarded with medals and certificates. The winning athletes at first, second, and third position receives a gold, silver, and bronze medal, respectively. In addition, all the athletes first to sixth position receive a certificate. Each medal is 60 mm in diameter and 3 mm thick. The medal for first winner is plated with 6 gram of fine gold. The second place medals are made of silver and the third place medal is of bronze. Now, regarding the Summer Olympics held in 2021 in Japan, which were supposed to be held in 2020 and were held in 2021 due to the COVID causes. So, first Summer Olympic 2020 held in 23rd July to 8th August 2021 in Tokyo in Japan. Next, motto of Tokyo 2020 was united by emotion. Mascot of Tokyo 2020 Olympics was Mirai Towa. It represents the Japanese culture. Indian flag bearer at the opening ceremony of Tokyo Olympic 2020 were MC Mary Kom, Indian boxer from the state of Manipur, and Manpreet Singh Sandhu, captain of Indian hockey team from Jalandhar, Punjab. India's flag bearer at the closing ceremony of Tokyo Olympic Game 2020 was Bajrang Punia, freestyle Indian wrestler from Haryana. Next, Mirabai Chanu. She won the first medal for India in Tokyo Olympic in women weightlifting category, and that is silver medal. Next, first Olympic gold medal in athletes for India in Tokyo in men's javelin throw, he was Neeraj Chopra. Olympic 2020 Tokyo is 32nd edition and Indian players participating in Tokyo Olympics figure is 127 number. Medals India won in Tokyo Olympic, that is 1 gold, 2 silver, 4 bronze and total 7 medals. Country won the maximum medal in 2020 Tokyo Olympics is United States, won 113 medal, 39 gold, 41 silver and 33 bronze. China stands second and Japan on third position. Now, regarding silver medal won for India in 57 kg free wrestling at the Tokyo Olympic is Ravi Kumar Dahiya. Indian female boxer Lovlina Borgonin won bronze medal in boxing and Indian hockey team won gold medal in 1980 Moscow Olympic and after 41 years won bronze medal in Tokyo Olympic 2020. This is also important for forthcoming competitive exam. Tokyo Paralympic 2020 held in 2021 and this is also held in Japan, Tokyo. Paralympic started in 1972. It is for the athlete who are not physically fit and its motto in 2020 Paralympic was united by emotion. Its mascot was Someti and that is cartoon character. Before this event, Paralympic 2016 was held in Rio de Janeiro in Brazil. So, before this Olympic in Tokyo, this Event was held in 2016 in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Next Paralympic 2024 forthcoming, it would be held in Paris, means France, Paris, France. In Paralympic 2020, 54 number of athletes participated from India. In opening ceremony of Tokyo Paralympic, flag bearer from India was Tek Chand, and in closing ceremony of Tokyo Paralympic, flag bearer was Avani Lekhara. In Paralympic 2020, Tokyo position of India was as follows: rank 24, gold 5, silver 8, bronze 6, total medals 19. India participated first time in Paralympic in 1968 and won its first medal in 1972 in Heidelberg, and that is Murikan Petkar won gold medal in swimming in 1972 in Heidelberg. Avana Lekhara won medal in rifle shooting in Tokyo Olympics, and she is the first woman to win gold medal in Paralympic. She is the first woman won gold medal in 10-meter rifle shooting and bronze medal in 50-meter rifle shooting in Tokyo Paralympic 2020. Now, Sumit Antil won gold medal in javelin throw in Tokyo Paralympic. Manish Narwal won gold medal in 50-meter pistol shooting, and Pramod Bhagat won gold medal in badminton in Tokyo Paralympic. Krishna Nagar won gold medal in badminton in Tokyo Paralympic. Badminton introduced first time in Tokyo Paralympic. Now what about, we have to discuss next content, that would be Commonwealth Games and Asian Games. So it is better and it is good to take all these points and prepare well for forthcoming examinations. Okay, thank you.